Right across six plains and prairies, Rocky Mountain highs, fade off into the distance.
All right, good morning. So, made it up to the new port, which is not a new port, but it's new for cat stuff. They're unloading a couple ships over here, I guess. So, pretty good looking thing, pretty good looking unit. I'm gonna take it out there and show it to you now, and maybe I'll take you with me while I drive it on the trailer. All right, there's our truck right there. Pretty good looking truck. We're pretty sure it's a 740 GC. Pretty sure when I start up on this trailer, I'm gonna need to get the outriggers out. The outrigger boards. I got a feeling that those tires are far enough apart and I'm gonna want them outrigger boards out there. So I'm gonna get this trailer ready to go, and then I might not put you inside because then you won't be able to see the outside, see it going up on the trailer. So maybe I'll try to film with the other camera inside and do a split screen. I'll be right back. All right, so we're up inside the unit. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need outrigger boards. So there's the trailer. This is what the view looks inside this thing. Pretty nice unit. Got a little secondary passenger seat there if you're training somebody or whatever. And we're gonna fire this thing up. Ooh, that's loud. Alright. Now, what I'm gonna do here, because I'm pretty sure experience tells me and I'm gonna need my outrigger boards, which is great because you guys haven't seen that yet. So pretty sure I'm gonna need outrigger boards, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing up tight against the trailer so I can get I might even pull up on the trailer a little bit, just so I can get a good look and see if we need these outriggers or not. I'm sure what the heck that was all about. Oh, that button actually says warning, not parking brake, emergency use only. Okay. Hopefully I didn't hurt the thing. Seems like it's running okay. All right, parking brake. Oh, there it is. I think. There is no parking brake. Okay. Sometimes you gotta learn on the fly here. Well, here we go. Try to get this thing as centered as I can here. It's pretty much guessing. Wait for it to hit the trailer. There we go. Not filling me with confidence right there. Alright, so partway up on the trailer now. I'm gonna jump down. It's the fuel level here. Fuel's pretty low, so I think I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna jump down and walk down and look and see if I need outrigger boards, and I'll take you guys with me for that. Alright, well, we are definitely gonna need outrigger boards. And this is what we've got right here. A little bit off center there, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my outrigger boards out because it's definitely gonna need them the way them tires are sitting. So I will set you down somewhere. I'll get the outriggers out and I'll show you that, and then I'll film me driving it the rest of the way up on. All right, got my outriggers boards out. Show you what that looks like. Carry boards. These outriggers, just pull up on them and turn them out, and then you just put the board right on them like that. I think we're all set now. I'm going to I'll set you down somewhere so you can see me drive this thing up on.
Chicken, trucking, finger licking, trying to keep it in between the lines. Bird dogs are hunting, street pipes are puffing. I'm loving this diesel life. County Mountie in the middle, think I just peed a little. Glad I ain't got no panties on. Don't need no bugs on my glass, bears on my ass.
Well, I think we're gonna leave it right there. I was debating whether I wanted to back it back down and move these outrigger boards. I got some space right here that it could go. But if I do that, it's gonna come off this outrigger board right here. So I should have moved that outrigger board one bracket forward. I don't know how my measurement was off there. I took a measurement on that to see where I needed it to be, and my measurement was off somehow. So I think it's going to be all right where it's at. I'm gonna go ahead and chain it down right there. I get a scale ticket on it. I think most of the weight's, well, I don't know. I think most of the weight's toward the back here. That cab is pretty heavy. That bucket, I'm sure that bucket's got some weight to it too. But I think it'll be all right. I'm gonna get a scale ticket on it. I may have to get my short boards out and move that thing. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and chain this thing down. I'll do a little filming once it's chained, and we'll get out of here.
On this high step and double clutching, gear jamming, chicken trucking, old school outlaw ride. Chicken trucking, big wheels they're humming, high rate of fuel consumption, missing mama needing loving, rolling with the whale sound. I'm running like the Southern Shaker, I don't need no 40 acres to turn this rig around. I'm jacked up like a Chevy, but ain't heading to the levee. Lord have mercy sakes alive. On this club looking, chicken trucking, big wheels they're humming, high ballin', skins are crawling, 6 days without my darling, high stepping, double clutching, gear jamming, chicken trucking, old school outlaw ride.
right, well, took our measurements. They're all good, barely. For the first time, I think, in a long time, I have no wiggle room whatsoever in my measurement. So somebody took the measurement. We are just barely under 14 foot tall. It's like 11 foot 11 inch and 3/4. So that we are right there. Width, we're also right there. Tire bulge, I don't know. DOT generally doesn't pick on the tire bulge. You'll see it. This is a pretty good one right here. See how the tire's bulging out a little bit, like it needs some air or something. That tire bulge right there is actually over our permitted width, but I've never seen anybody get picked on for tire bulge. In fact, I had a couple DOT tell me that tire bulge doesn't count, that they go straight from the metal. There's no way to predict how much bulge is going to be in a tire when you start pulling down on that suspension, so they don't get too jumpy about it. So that's our unit. It's pretty good looking unit. Heavy. She's heavy. I'm gonna take some video while I'm trying to climb these hills in PA, so should be an interesting video. But one last look there. I'm gonna run and get my paperwork, and I'm gonna get the heck out of Dodge here. Go home for the weekend.
Out here on this highway, rolling on now 20 years. Just like my dad before me, coffee, blood, sweat, and tears. I'm addicted to the white line, a prisoner of the road. Ain't no cure for this disease, it brings us outlaws and rogues. When they locked me up, they handed me the keys. I'm pulling 18 gears of life, no chance of parole. My heart belongs to Jesus, but this highway owns my soul. It's a crime, I'm doing time, just to send it on down the line. I'm pulling 18 gears, 18 gears, 18 gears of life. Some say I'm semi-crazy, my God, it's hard to tell. This diamond tuck and leather just might be my padded sail. Those pictures on my dashboard where I've watched my kids grow up, I thank God they understand the cost of diesel in my blood. They know this rambling man and what sets me free. I'm pulling 18 years to life, no chance of parole. My heart belongs to Jesus, but this highway owns my soul. It's a crime, I'm doing time, just to send it on down the line. I'm pulling 18 gears, 18 gears, 18 gears of life. No chance of parole. My heart belongs to Jesus, but this old highway owns my soul. It's a crime, I'm doing time, just to send it on down the line. I'm pulling 18 gears, 18 gears, 18 gears of life. There's no escaping this addiction, so until the day I die, Sandwich plains and prairies, Rocky Mountain highs fade off into the distance like ghost riders in the sky. Black smoke and white line, steel horses side by side. It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys to giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise.